Hello, and welcome to Fun Factopia, the channel where we explore the amazing wonders of science. In this video, we are going to count down the top 10 scientific discoveries that changed our understanding of the universe. These discoveries have revolutionized our knowledge of the cosmos and opened up new possibilities for exploration and innovation. Let's get started. Number 10. The Higgs boson. The Higgs boson is a subatomic particle that gives mass to other particles. It was predicted by the standard model of particle physics, but it was very hard to detect because it is very unstable and decays quickly. In 2012, after decades of searching, scientists at the Large Hadron Collider announced that they had found evidence of the Higgs boson, confirming the existence of the elusive particle. The discovery of the Higgs boson was a major breakthrough for physics, as it completed the standard model and explained how matter gets its mass. Number 9. Gravitation waves. Gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of space-time caused by massive objects accelerating or colliding. They were predicted by Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, but they were too weak to be detected by conventional instruments. In 2015, the Laser Interferometer Gravitation Wave Observatory LIGO made history by detecting the first gravitational wave generated by the merger of two black holes. Since then, LIGO and other detectors have observed more gravitational waves from various sources, such as neutron stars and supernovae. The detection of gravitational waves opened a new window to the universe, allowing us to study phenomena that were invisible to electromagnetic radiation. Number 8. The Human Genome Project. Human genome is the complete set of DNA that makes up a human being. It contains about 3 billion base pairs and 20,000 genes that code for various traits and functions. The Human Genome Project was an international effort to map and sequence the human genome, which began in 1990 and was completed in 2003. The project revealed the structure and function of the human genome, as well as the variations and similarities among different individuals and populations. The project also paved the way for advances in biotechnology, medicine, and genetics, such as gene therapy, personalized medicine, and genetic testing. Number 7. The discovery of exoplanets. Exoplanets are planets that orbit stars other than the Sun. The first confirmed exoplanet was discovered in 1992, orbiting a pulsar. Since then, thousands of exoplanets have been detected using various methods such as the transit method, the radial velocity method, and the microlensing method. Some of these exoplanets are similar to Earth in size, temperature, and composition, raising the possibility of life beyond our solar system. The discovery of exoplanets has expanded our horizons and challenged our assumptions about the nature and diversity of planetary systems. Number 6. The expansion of the universe. The expansion of the universe is the phenomenon that the universe is getting bigger over time, as the space between galaxies stretches. It was first observed by Edwin Hubble in 1929, who measured the redshift of distant galaxies and found that they were moving away from us at a rate proportional to their distance. This implied that the universe was not static, but expanding. Later, in 1998, two teams of astronomers discovered that the expansion of the universe was not only happening, but accelerating, driven by a mysterious force called dark energy. The expansion of the universe has profound implications for the origin, evolution, and fate of the cosmos. Number 5. The theory of evolution. The theory of evolution is the scientific explanation of how life on Earth has changed over time through natural selection and genetic variation. It was proposed by Charles Darwin in 1859 in his book On the Origin of Species, based on his observations of the diversity and adaptation of living organisms. The theory of evolution has been supported by evidence from various fields, such as fossil records, comparative anatomy, molecular biology, and biogeography. The theory of evolution has transformed our understanding of the origin and diversity of life, as well as our place in the natural world. Number 4. The discovery of TNADNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries the genetic information of living organisms. It is composed of 4 nucleotides, adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, arranged in a double helix structure. The discovery of DNA was a collaborative effort by several scientists, such as Friedrich Miescher, Oswald Avery, Erwin Chargaff, Rosalind Franklin, James Watson, and Francis Crick. In 1953, Watson and Crick published the structure of DNA, based on Franklin's X-ray diffraction images. The discovery of DNA revealed the molecular basis of heredity and gene expression, and enabled the development of fields such as molecular biology, biotechnology, and genomics. Number 3. The discovery of penicillin. Penicillin is the first antibiotic, a substance that can kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria. It was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928 by accident, when he noticed that a mold growing on his petri dish had prevented the growth of a bacterial culture. Fleming isolated and identified the mold as penicillium, and named the substance it produced penicillin. Later, Howard Florey and Ernst Chain developed a method to mass-produce penicillin, and tested its effectiveness on humans. The discovery of penicillin revolutionized medicine, as it saved millions of lives from infections and diseases, such as pneumonia, syphilis, and tuberculosis. Number 2. The theory of relativity. The theory of relativity is the scientific framework that describes the nature of space, time, gravity, and energy. It was developed by Albert Einstein in the early 20th century and consists of two parts: the special relativity and the general relativity. The special relativity deals with the physics of objects moving at constant speeds and shows that time and length are relative to the observer, and that mass and energy are equivalent. The general relativity deals with the physics of objects moving under the influence of gravity, and shows that gravity is not a force, but a curvature of space-time. The theory of relativity has changed our perception of reality, and has led to predictions and discoveries such as the gravitation lensing, the gravitation redshift, the gravitation waves, and the black holes. Number 1. The Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory is the cosmological model that explains the origin and evolution of the universe. It states that the universe began as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature, about 13.8 billion years ago. Then, it underwent a rapid expansion, called the inflation, and cooled down, forming the first atoms, stars, and galaxies. The Big Bang Theory is based on observations such as the cosmic microwave background radiation, the abundance of light elements, and the expansion of the universe. The Big Bang Theory is the most widely accepted and tested theory of the universe, and it provides a coherent and comprehensive picture of the cosmic history and structure. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. See you next time on Fun Factopia.